Hi friends, welcome to Dishes Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make Arroz, Pulao with coconut milk. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have 1 medium sized chopped tomato, 2 medium sized chopped onions, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of Haldi turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, 4 green cardamoms, 8 pieces of cloves, 3 Maggi cubes, 2 cups of coconut milk, 1 cup of basmati rice. For 1 cup of basmati rice I am going to use 2 cups of coconut milk. 6 prawns which I have cut 1 prawn into 2 pieces. 1 medium size carrot which I have cut into strips. 1 medium size capsicum which I have cut into strips. 3 tablespoons of oil. Here I have a pan with 3 tablespoons of oil which is nice and hot. Now we'll add our chopped onions and tomato. We'll saute it till it is nice and translucent. Our onion and tomato is done. Now we'll add the coconut milk. And Maggi cubes, cloves, ilaichi, cinnamon, haldi and sugar. Carrots and capsicum. Prawns. Washed rice. Mix well. Now we'll cover it and cook it for 10 minutes on medium flame. Our pulao is done. Now let's plate it up. Arroz is ready. Pulao in coconut milk is ready. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.